Alright, so as promised, videos of the TSX. It's been damaged. This is for parts. Everything is available as of now. Complete rear end. You have all your black leather door panels, black leather seats in the rear. We do show some wear, pretty common. The rug is in excellent condition. Both door panels in the rear are great. The driver's side as well. Master switches all work. This is your driver's side. I'm gonna start the car up for you real quick. Excuse me, stepping on trash out here. Obviously, it's hitting the front as well. So we're gonna give her it's on. Starts right up. Under 60,000 miles. I'll check engine lights. Sounds great. So you got all your working regulators. Over here on the passenger side. Back here, that window regulator works. The window stops going down from the accident. Motor, you can't let it run too long. Really broken. But yeah. K24A2. Sounds excellent. I drove the car in here myself. And that's it, guys. Gals, give me a call. Airbags available on the driver's side. All of your curtains are available on the driver's side. Clock spring as well. Again, the condition of both seats. You know, I see like a little crack right here on the passenger seat, as well as deployment. So I'm sure that's a big issue. That bag has deployed on the seat. On the passenger side, the armrest is in excellent condition. The inside looks good. So as of now, the navigation is not doing anything. So that's where we're at with that. I'm gonna try to diag that here shortly. I'll get back to you.